How to start lesson on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can start lesson on Mondly. Now to start lesson on Mondly is very simple. Alright, the first thing to do is to download the Mondly app first of all on your device. And how do you do so? By going to your Play Store and clicking on your Play Store. After clicking on your Play Store, move to the top part of the screen and click on your and search modeling. All right, and after typing out modeling, the modeling app will be displayed. Now for me it is displaying open because I already have the application, but if you don't, click on install and then just like that it will be installed. And then once it has been installed, just go ahead and click on open. Then after clicking on open, since you are just installing the app, you would be required to open an account. All right. So on the accounts page, you'll be asked to select the kind of language you speak and the kind of language you'd like to learn. Just go ahead, select it, type in your categories and all of that. Just follow the instructions, type out all of your questions, and then all of the required details. Yeah, just type it out. After typing out the required details, you'll be brought to the page where you'll be asked to try out a short lesson. Okay, after trying out a short lesson, your score will be calculated and then you will be brought to this page automatically. Now once you're on this page, to start a lesson, just go to the lowest part of your screen and click on the lesson icon, which is next to category icon, and then you'll see all of your lessons here. So you can see lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to start the lesson, just go to the right side and click on start. You must note that without completing a particular lesson, you cannot go to the next stage. So just click on start and then you wait for it to load. All right, just wait and then the lesson will start and they can now go ahead to learn. So this is how you can start a lesson on Modly. Very simple. Thanks for watching.